Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. And yep, guys, we're taking one more look at my good friend Casey, Tempest Knives, the Pinion. Why? Because, well, like the title says, they dropped today. He's actually putting stuff on the website. Now, there was a pre-order, and all of us that did the pre-order, we've gotten ours, and now he's putting them up on the website. And he announced it a few days ago, but he's got a surprise for us. He actually, the sneaky devil, actually did order some jade pinions. Now, I know there was quite a few that wanted some, but yes, he did, and he's got, or they will be for sale, what, in a, depending on what time you see this. Anyway, they do go on sale at noon Pacific time or 3 Eastern today. So I'm just going to show you real quick. We got the three variants that I got through the pre-order. You got the black micarta, the blue G10, and the black G10. My favorite right now is the black micarta. You guys know I prefer micarta. But I tell you what, these G10, they've got a nice contour on them. Every single one of these has a really, really good detent on it. And the action is fantastic. The stonewashed finish is terrific. Now, of course, I'm trying to do this behind the camera, as always. Nice. Very snappy. The finish Kubi did on these, look at that. Terrific. It's the same on every single one of these. I do believe the detent's just a little bit tighter on my micarta one. But the finish, look at that finish on these. Really, really nice. I'm digging it. I've used all of them just a little bit. That one, I actually got a little bit of a goober on the blade on that one right there when I was using it. I don't know. It happens. But the jade, I might have to get a jade one and dye it red. You know, that might have to be a thing. I ordered all three of them from, you got a little bit of a discount when you ordered all three on the pre-order. I did that. I knew from the beginning I was probably going to keep the black one. I am, without a doubt. Probably going to end up giving away, these two, just because that's what I do here. You guys know that. At some point in time. But I will tell you, I just ordered the wire replacement clips, because these all have the wire clips, right? But not everybody likes wire clips. So I ordered the Spyderco wire replacement clips that actually makes it a full clip. I ordered 3 of those, one for each of them. So if I do end up giving these 2 away, which I probably will, they're going to have those clips in with it as well, just in case. But guys, we're just going to take a quick look. We've seen a lot on the Pinion. I've showed you a lot on the Pinion. Why? Because, well, not only because it's Casey's knife, it's a really good knife. I am digging this knife quite a bit. Yeah, that micarta, that's a little bit snappier. The detent's just a little bit snappier on the micarta one, for sure. It is ergonomically terrific. It feels so good in hand. Absolutely, the blade is terrific. You guys know, if it does rope well, I'm all on board, and it absolutely is a fantastic rope knife. You got that nice little bit of a belly, that elongated tip. Oh yeah, goes through rope like a dream. All 3 of these came very, very sharp. 14C28N on the blade steel. Kubi did a fantastic job on them. The micarta is really nice. Got a good grip on it. So, for some reason, you haven't seen a Pinion yet. Well, you haven't been watching my channel, and you haven't been watching Casey's channel, because they've been on a lot. But anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let me start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty much 8 inches. Casey likes his bigger knives. You're getting about 4.5 on the handle, 3.5 on the blade, just maybe shy of 3.5, and you're pretty much 3.25 on that cutting edge, for sure. And then your grip length. Now, point to point, you're going to be looking at right about a 4-inch grip length, but you can choke up. Now, with all knives that don't have a flipper tab, There's not going to be a whole lot protecting you from going forward on that blade, but you can. You can choke up, and you've got a decent amount of room there to choke up. So there you go. That's kind of, you can see there, I've got a little bit. If you have really, really large fingers, okay, you might be on the corner of that blade a little bit. But other than that, no, it's not too bad. So we'll get it open, do some quick. There you go. That's how it compares to the PM2. Pretty close overall, really. Really, the PM2's got it by, oh, let's see, I want to make sure my pivots are lined up. Maybe just a hair on the blade, and again, just a hair on the handle. Not much. It's actually pretty decent. Of course, we'll throw the bug out up there as well. So, it's a little bit bigger than the bug out. So, we'll get a weight on it. I'm very, I've said this many times, but I'm very happy for KC that this knife has batteries low. Oh, do I gotta change the batteries out? Oh, yep, gotta change the batteries out. We're not gonna get a weight on it because what does it weigh? Oh, hang on, I'll tell you. Like I said, guys, I'm super happy for KC. It's been a journey for him. You know, the Mach 51 didn't go as he had planned, but Pinion's doing pretty good, darn good. Let's see. It says, what is the weight? 3.6. Yeah, so right there. I mean, that ounce per inch, you're right there. You're right at that ounce per inch. Carries like a dream. I can't tell you, I do enjoy this knife quite a bit. Not just because it's KC's, but Kubi did a fantastic job on it, and it turned out to be a really nice knife. So, what are they? Well, what are they going to go for? The micarta ones are going to go for $92 on the website, and the G10 ones are going to go for $82. So, that Jade G10 Pinion that some of you wanted, $82, guys. That's what it's going to cost. So, again, super stoked for KC. I couldn't be happier. He's an awesome guy. We've become very good friends, and he has got himself a really nice design. And the next design's already in the works from the sounds of it. So, super happy for him. Like I said, the Mach 51, you know, he got kind of down, but he was like, no, I'm not going to quit. I'm going to keep my head down. And this is what hard work and determination does for you guys. It pays off in the end. So very cool. Thank you guys so much for checking out the Pinion with me. It drops today, guys, noon Pacific time, 3 p.m. Eastern. That's when it goes. Run out there, grab your Pinion. I don't say that very often. You got to run out and get one. If you do, you won't be sorry. That's all I can say, guys. You won't be sorry. Thanks a lot. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Till next time, I'll talk to y'all later, guys. Bye-bye.